Hey guys, Paul from Drift Sessions. Just here to show you guys what we're doing today. We're gonna do an epoxy garage floor. Got the floor all prepped, pretty much. Got it ground down, pat some holes. Now I just have to put the primer on, and then Tim from Drift Sessions is also gonna come over and help me put the metallic epoxy down as well. So after that, we gotta paint the walls, but for today, it'll be just doing the epoxy. So here's a video of me doing the primer. We got the part B here, got the part A and the bucket. We're using Epoxy Plus. This is the primer. I'm gonna pour this in there. Looks like honey. Very cool. Make sure you get all of that in there. Okay, I'll just scrape that out here, hold on. Okay, so now I got part A and part B together. I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, so now I got the cold water that goes in the mix. All that's in there. And then mix again for two minutes. So now we're on to the actual metallic epoxy. This is part A. It's 2 gallons of A, and those part B, the hardener. But first you have to take A and mix it up with the pigment. So let me get to that. Okay, so here's the titanium pigment that we mix with part A before we even put B in there, the hardener. So let's pour it in there and try to not make so much of a dust cloud here. Ooh, smoky. Okay, and then we mix, get it all out of there. Put this in the bottle. Okay, now mix it slowly. Okay, so we got the reds mixed up. We have the titanium gray. We got Tim here.
I got spike shoes.
He's got spiky shoes. We're gonna get to work. Here is the primer, all dry. So we're gonna get to work. Okay, see you.
You're
Tim's getting at the bubbles. Getting the bubbles, Tim?
Get the bubbles. Not the bubbles. I didn't even hear me because of the echo.
What?
The echo?
The echo? Yeah, no, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, it looks like it's turning out pretty nice. Pretty snazzy.
How's the show on the camera?
It looks really nice on the camera. Yeah, very marbly.
Nancy Floors, the machine drop transmission. Dragging over across it.
Yeah, I think it's just going to be the first scratch, and then it'll be like, okay, this.
No, because I'm still careful with my floor, and my floor isn't like this. So.
Yeah, I mean that's why I wanted the border so that way I can wash everything down. So, well,
You do the clear coat instead of doing the semi gloss.
Just do gloss, but
Yeah, no, do the semi gloss. But what I'm saying as far as anything else with sand in it.
well, so in the clear coat they give you what can I think of it? It's aluminum oxide. That's what makes it scratch resistant. So the more aluminum oxide you put in there, the more satin the finish.
I don't have any aluminum oxide.
No, but I'm going to have aluminum oxide. Fancy. So I can just put the urethane clear coat without the aluminum oxide, which gives it no scratch protection. But if I put the aluminum oxide, that makes it a little bit more dull. It's popping bubbles here. Pop. I'm glad I still had that.
Yeah. I don't know why you waited until like tell me you had.
Well, I didn't think about it. I'm like, the bubbles will pop. And I'm like 30 minutes after, and popping the bubbles. I think it's actually probably the best time to pop the bubbles, honestly.
No, it is. You're supposed to wait a little bit to pop this, you pop the bubbles and then more bubbles come back. So hopefully all the bubbles. Your wife make a pizza?
No, she gets delivered here.
Oh,
Sorry,
sorry.
man. No, it's very sensitive.
Spike brush?
No, they're just the color.
Yeah, it almost looks like,
Hell?
Yeah. Welcome to the garage of hell.
So it's been a while. As you can see, you got cabinets all in here now. So it's actually kind of good because we can tell you exactly how well this floor has held up for the past 5 months since we put it in. It's been really taking abuse. I mean, those things definitely are definitely not soft with being steel casters on this. So, I mean, they do scuff it, but it comes right out. I already tried it, I had some scuff marks over there. I just used some Formula 88 and came right off. So it's not really scratching the surface. It's just like gunk, probably something on the actual casters. But either way, really robust floor. Really liking it. Pretty much have no issues with it. So you can see here, I did some coping so that way when I wash it, the water will just come right down. And I have a sink that I'm going to set up from an old CD09. I got the mini split hung. I just need to run the refrigerant pipes over there. We got our little simulator set up. It's kind of fold up. I have the Oculus Rift over there, so that way I don't need a screen. The Volvo is still going, but it's not in here. And the reason it's not in here is yes, we got a D35. Got it for $2,000, 200,000 miles on it. Runs like a champ, AC. Could use a paint job, but probably just gonna wrap it. Probably need a lip and side skirts, get some wheels for it. And I can't wait to slide this thing. A lot of fun coming in the future. So we got the G35, which will add a lot of content. I'll try to film pretty much everything I do to it. I have to mount my seat, my old Corbeau, so it's kind of an ugly seat, but it's the only seat that fits me. So I have that, and then I have a likewise shifter with an extension, a Chase Bays Hydro. as well as a lot of other goodies coming. So looking to drift that very soon. So, you know, look forward to that content. Look forward to content from Clutch Kickers. And make sure to check out our bi-weekly podcast, The Clipping Point. I wasn't there this week, but definitely check out that. It had the Clutch Kickers guy, Zach, on there. And it also had Ryan Deering, which he's a photographer / driver. So definitely go check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye.